Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Kasuri Methi Aloo. This is a very simple and very tasty dish. For this we need boiled, chopped and peeled potato, oil, dried fenugreek leaf, chaat masala and lime juice. So take a frying pan, add 1.5 teaspoon of oil, spread oil all over the pan. Once your oil is hot, add 2 medium size boiled, peeled and chopped potato. Toss it up on high flame. Toss it regularly. Mix it well for 1 minute. Now add salt to taste. Toss it again. Mix it. Add 1 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaf. And toss it. Cook it for half a minute. Add 2 teaspoons of water. Add little lime juice, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, a pinch of chaat masala. Mix it again, and your Kasuri Methi Aloo is ready. You can use it as a starter. It's a very tasty dish. So try Kasuri Methi Aloo. Thank you.